How can you turn down the Ring app notifications volume on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos sort of like this one. Well, every kind of like notification can be managed in terms of the volume inside of your iPhone's settings app. So you need to open up the main settings app as usual and go to the sounds and haptics section where all of the different things are stored and located, right? So at the top of the list, we have the ringtone and alerts volume slider. And this is the indicator of how loud your alerts, ringtones, and notifications are basically going to be. So this is the volume slider for your alarm, for notifications in general. So if you want to turn down the Ring app notifications, well, this is where you can find it. Right, so this is where you can dial it down. Keep in mind that it will also apply to other apps as well on the iPhone, so it's not like a separately for that application, but yeah, that's kind of how it works in the iPhone. One thing though, make sure that you don't have the change with buttons enabled, because it will kind of mess with it as you are on the home screen and using the physical mute buttons. It might change the ringer volume for that, so that might be something you are interested in. But yeah, that's how it works. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and explanations like this one. So stay tuned for more, and I'll talk to you soon.